Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how to get your ID card on Ambetter online. We will also put links in the description below. To start, open the website ambetterhealth.com. Then click on Login. On the drop-down list, click on Member. To log in, enter your email address. Then click on Continue. Also enter your password, then click on Login. Once you're logged in, scroll down a little and you'll see a section for your ID card. Under it is an option for Get Your ID Card. Click Get Your ID Card. Now you'll be able to view your ID card. To get it, there are various options either to save by image, request by mail, or print. Click on the option you prefer. That's how you get your ID card on Ambetter online. Thank you so much guys for watching. And if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.